Brevo versus Mailchimp. Now, I've made beginner guides for both Brevo as well as Mailchimp in the past, and in this video I want to showcase both of these tools and I want to help you to find the perfect solution for you. Now, first of all, you can't really go wrong with either of them. They will both have all of your basic features that you need for doing email marketing. However, in my opinion, there is a clear winner. Now let's, for example, get started with the pricing. Let's say that you have 5,000 contacts and that you want to send out 50,000 emails per month. Then on Mailchimp you would have to pay 63 euros, and for the standard plan you will have to pay 92 euros for 60,000 monthly emails sent. Now it is important to mention that Mailchimp actually has a free plan, but I think it is only for 60 days or something like that, whereas Brevo has an forever free plan right here. However, let's quickly compare the Brevo plans. Now as you can see, the forever free plan will only allow you to send out 300 emails per day, and in general you will not get all of the features that you need to get started using Brevo. So I would actually recommend you to go either with the starter plan or with the business plan. And I will leave you a 30-day free trial for Brevo down below. Now let's say that you want to send out 60,000 emails per month. Then for the starter plan you would have to pay 39 euros. However, it is also important to mention that that you will have to pay an additional 9 euros if you want to remove the Brevo branding, which I would actually recommend you to do so. So as you can see, you would be at 48 euros compared to 63 euros, so already relatively cheaper. And for the business plan, if you want to send out 60,000 emails, you would have to pay 79 euros, whereas on Mailchimp you would have to pay 93 euros. So as you can see, Brevo is actually cheaper, and one thing which is also important to notice is that on Brevo you can have unlimited contacts. You can basically have 1 million contacts if you want to, whereas on Mailchimp you will also have capped contacts, so you can't have more than 5,000 contacts, and if you want to have more than 5,000 contacts you will have to pay more. Now, as for the features, I think both of these have all of the basic features that you need. As you can see, this is how the email builder on Brevo is going to look like. You can just drag all of your elements from the left onto your email, and the same goes for the Mailchimp builder. So they have all of your basic features. However, I personally think that Mailchimp is actually slightly worse than Brevo, because on Mailchimp they often complicate a lot of things, whereas Brevo really has an organic user experience and really is self-explanatory. And on Mailchimp you will actually have a much more steeper learning curve, and the review also say basically the same. As you can see, Mailchimp only has 1.5 on Trustpilot and Brevo has 4.4. Now if you want to learn Brevo or Mailchimp, you can watch the beginner's guides right here.